Built with features to help bring entertainment and creativity to life, the new Motorola Edge features an ultra-smooth display, advanced camera system, and powerful battery. And best of all, it rocks T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. And it's the first device to deliver more powerful 5G coverage deep inside of buildings. Hey there, it's Des with T-Mobile, and today we're unboxing the all-new Motorola Edge. The Edge is Motorola's first carbon offset device built with a slim, lightweight design. It comes with a beautiful 6.6-inch OLED Full HD Plus display with a fast 144Hz refresh rate. The Edge sets you up for flawless gaming and movie experiences, especially when paired with its dual stereo speakers. You can power your creativity using the Edge's 50-megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization, or the 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and even the 2-megapixel depth camera, and take great selfies with the 32-megapixel front-facing camera. The Edge stays powered with a 5,000 mAh battery, and when you need to fuel up, you can choose between Turbo Power 30 or wireless charging, and you can even wirelessly power share. Internally, the Edge comes with 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of built-in storage, and the Edge runs Android 12 right out of the box. Now, before we get inside the box, did you know that the Edge's packaging is fully recyclable? It's 100% plastic-free. Inside the box, we've got the new Motorola Edge, quick start guide, SIM pin, and USB-C charging cable. Built with features to help bring entertainment and creativity to life, the new Motorola Edge features an ultra-smooth display, advanced camera system, and a powerful battery. And best of all, it rocks T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. Get your hands on the new Motorola Edge at your favorite T-Mobile store and online at tmobile.com. Comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Now stay tuned for another great video coming up next.